Hey tech enthusiasts, we've got some breaking news for you today. The Pixel 9 is on its way, and it's coming sooner than we all thought. If you're excited about Google's latest flagship, you're in the right place. Let's dive into all the juicy details. Google's Pixel series has always been a fan favorite for its pure Android experience and cutting-edge features. But this time it looks like Google is shaking things up a bit. The Pixel 9 might be arriving a few months earlier than expected, and there's a lot of buzz around it already. So what can we expect from the Pixel 9 series? First off, let's talk about the launch date. Rumor has it that Google might unveil the Pixel 9 at a special event on August 13th. That's right, we might see the new Pixel lineup sooner than the traditional October launch. Now let's get into the specs and features. According to the leaks, we're looking at multiple models this time around, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and a new addition, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Yes, you heard that right. There might even be a foldable model called the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 series is expected to feature upgraded cameras with a possible main camera boasting a variable aperture perfect for adapting to different lighting conditions. And speaking of screens, the Pixel 9 lineup is rumored to include the same M14 OLED screen found in the iPhone 16 Pro, promising impressive brightness levels. But wait, there's more. The new Tensor G4 chipset is likely to power these devices, bringing enhanced AI features and better overall performance. We're talking about improved call screening, on-device photo editing, and possibly even more powerful AI-driven tools. And let's not forget about the design changes. We might see a shift to flatter sides and rounded corners, giving the Pixel 9 a fresh look. Plus, there's talk of new color options like jade and peony. So are you excited about the Pixel 9? With a potential launch just around the corner, we can't wait to see what Google has in store. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications, so you don't miss out on our full review once these phones are out. Drop a comment below with what feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.